Chainsaw Man ED2, gonna quickly react to this and then upload it separately. So let's see what it's all about. Wazuto Mayo, your boy is excited. Hey? Ooh, this really is like Zuto Mayo. Hey! Hey, and there's visuals too? Bro, I like this. Oh, she don't miss. She really don't miss, huh? Look at the denji visuals here. Power. What's she doing now? She's vibing around. Okay. Oh, Aki though. Look at my boy. The visuals are so nice, huh? Bit of tea. Oh, Makima. Okay. Oh, beat drop coming. Like that. The dominoes. Ooh. Hey, 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 hey. That's it clean with it. Hey. Bro, the visuals are so fucking stunning, man. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, power. Aww. That means a lot, bro. And Aki, the high card trio. That hitting. That hitting. Can I say visuals stunning? I love the song too by Zuto Mayo. Honestly, a bop of a song. Really can't wait to see more of the EDs. Hope they all get visuals. The first one done by Vandi. If you want to go check out the episode reaction, that should also be down below. Everything is so dope about this. Like I said, the visuals, the song, the high card trio, bro. I'm really loving this. I'm really loving this. Really can't wait to see what the rest of the EDs show. I don't know who the next one is by. I'll look it up. But go check out the episode reaction. Like and sub if you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Sensei, out.